Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was an Indian physicist who received Nobel Prize in 1930 for the discovery that when light passes through a transparent material, some of the light reflected changes its wavelength. This phenomenon is called the Raman effect, and it is due to the scattering of light. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954 and the Lenin Peace Prize in 1957. India celebrates National Science Day on 20th February every year to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect.
It's really a fabulous moment at school when one thinks of Science Day. Every year the school calendar is marked on the 28th of February as Science Day at HRS. My dear science teachers and my boys and girls, I think the most important thing you need to understand is science is everyday life. Science is what we do in our day-to-day activities. Science is what you do in your classroom. The most vital thing to understand about science is, first of all, having a great sense of curiosity, having a great sense of observation, and also having a desire to explore. I'm sure all of you are very good scientists. You all experiment at home. Some of you have a great urge to do some naughty things at home, like picking up a rubber band or taking a spoon and doing some sort of things with them. Now the point is, when you do something and you put it into daily use, and that is really the value of science. How much science can benefit humanity? How much science can benefit individuals in the society? If you children can create something innovative, if you can create something of great value to the society, you have done your part. Let's celebrate this Science Day in a most satisfying manner, and let Science Day bring out the scientific talent and temper in our students. And I wish the Science Department all the best, and let's have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Tell me, how many of you like science very much? Okay. Why do you like science very much?
Because it is so exciting. It is so exciting. We can learn more about the environment, yes, and so we can learn more about space.
Have you heard of C.V. Raman?
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
He's a scientist. Famous scientist from India, sir.
India. What is special about him?
So he is from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay. You have seen him?
Yes, sir.
You have seen him?
In photos.
Oh, in photograph. Okay.
So he found the Raman effect, sir.
What is the Raman effect?
Sir, Raman effect means he was thinking that why the sea was blue for so many years, sir. So then he thought that because of the sky, the sea is blue, sir.
Okay.
Then he thought that he did so much experiments, sir,
okay,
and it came, and he proved that the blue color is coming from the inside of the water, sir.
Okay.
And discovering Raman was awarded Nobel Prize in 1930.
Have you heard of C.V. Raman?
Yes.
Tell me. Famous scientist. Okay.
And he's a great scientist belonging to South India, and he was the first to get Nobel Prize from India, a scientist who got Nobel Prize. And if I remember correctly, he's known for inventing the Raman effect.
Okay. The Nobel Prize also was for the same thing.
പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിലെ അത്ഭുത പ്രതിഭാസം മഴവില്ല്, കവികളുടെ തൂലികയ്ക്ക് വിഷയമായ, ചിത്രകാരന്മാരുടെ ഭാവനയ്ക്ക് വിഷയമായ മഴവില്ല്, അത്ഭുതത്തോടെ കൊച്ചുകുട്ടികൾ വീക്ഷിക്കുന്ന മഴവില്ല്, അതിൽ ശാസ്ത്രത്തിന്റെ തത്വമുണ്ടെന്ന് കണ്ടെത്തിയ മഹാൻ C.V. രാമൻ.
Too pure for this wicked world. Your data's uncorrupted, but does something skip inside you? That's what takes up time in
Raman effect explains the blue color of sky. The color has a lot of depth, and artist usually uses this color for representing solitude.
So you're teaching which subject?
Physics. White light strikes on a colloid, it disperses into different colors, the color of the rainbow, Guccio.
This is the day when C.V. Raman found out the Raman effect.
Is known as placentation. If the ovules are arranged in an inverted position, then those ovules are known as anatropous ovules. Do it nicely and make the posters beautiful. Okay. They are doing a poster making. It's actually a competition on pollution, a threat to the environment.
How many students are there in the class?
There are 40 students and some are absent.
Okay.
5 of them are absent.
What is this poster meant for?
This is in connection with our Science Day celebration, which is on 28th February.
You would like to say something?
Very colorfully they are doing the work. I like their approach.
Ma'am, you are teaching which subject?
Maths.
Mathematics.
Yes.
Who can tell me something about Raman effect or C.V. Raman?
Not Felder. The poetess tried to shift her thought. The poetess tried to shift her thought. From this sad sight.
Excuse me, ma'am. You are teaching which subject?
English.
English. Who can tell me something about Raman effect? Have you heard of C.V. Raman? Who can tell me something about Raman effect, please?
Come on, let's see your GK.
7 colors make 1, 7 rainbow colors make 1.
Tell me something about Raman effect, please. Please say.
7 colors, 7 mix of rainbow colors make 1 color. That's a mix of white color, and that is what is known as Raman effect. Raman formula.
Hello everybody. In higher school, something unique is that there is no dearth of celebrations and festivals. And every month and every other week, we have one kind of celebration or the other. One event, one celebration which the entire school look upon is the Science Day celebrations. I must congratulate the Science Department for the various kinds of innovations introduced in the higher school. creating that spirit of science alive. Very often I check the website and I go to the specific link creating the website for the visitor, and the kind of activities the science department is doing regularly. So the tempo is always, the spirit is always maintained throughout the year, irrespective of the age group, irrespective of the classrooms. And I'm really proud of the science department of the Higher School. That all the teachers, right from Mr. Narayan, Mrs. Sima Baby, Mrs. Sanama, Mr. Shine, Mrs. Gladys, one way or other give inputs to keep the science alive. When we celebrate the Science Day on 28th February, let's celebrate with that spirit of unity, the spirit of scientific curiosity, and I wish this function a grand success.